Hey everyone, it's Susan and let's just plan. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my brandy new memory keeping planner. I do believe that this planner is probably from 2019, but it is brand new to me and I think it's beautiful. I love the wreath on the cover. I'm not too excited about this quote. So what I plan to do is I'm gonna watercolor paint my own cover, and I have a laminator and I'm gonna go ahead and replace this cover. But probably with a wreath, just my own wreath. And I do want to share with you that I did purchase this, the Color Story in the big size, so I'll be using this in this planner along with other stickers as well. So in here, I already went in and I added my name with a sticker that I made using Word. And then I added a beautiful floral from this floral sticker book. And I love it. I've been doing this effect with all of my planners, and I'll make sure I have the video link below on how I added my name to my planners. So I obviously will be using this for memory keeping. I love flowers, so this to me is like the perfect planner. And you give me pink flowers and I'm just in love, my favorite of all time. So what I have done, I actually have 3 of these envelopes in here. I have one in the monthly, I have one in the first week in January, and then I have one in February. What I do is, this is actually, well, it's called jelly plate. So it's a way of mono printing with stencils and paint, acrylic paint. And so I punched the holes in the side of it. I have a little paper clip on here. And what I do is, I am one of those people that, you know, as I'm working on my desk, I find things, I'm like, oh my gosh, that would be great for, you know, for the January spread, that kind of thing. Maybe, you know, little notes or whatever. So that's what I have the envelopes for, is to put little tidbits in them as I think of things. So when it comes time for me to work on this spread, I have a jumping off start already. My plan for this is that the monthly spread I will be doing at the end of the month for the previous month. So I don't know if I said that right, but so this is going to be January. And come the end of January is when I will be filling this out, because I'm going to kind of be looking back, right? And just putting some highlights of the month on here. And I saw Mandy from Create with Mandy here on YouTube do this, and I'm like, I asked her, I'm like, well, can I do that? I mean, I don't know if others do it exactly like she did, but I love the way that it was just very eclectic. It wasn't like, oh my gosh, everything on the page had to match. No. It was more about each box told a little story. And not that it's all the boxes, it's not every day, it doesn't have to be every day, but just the highlights of the month. So that's my plan. So that will be a video coming at the end of the month. And then here is the first week. And I will be posting these weekly. I did set aside some things that I might be using already. I happen to have some photos that in case I need them, I have them. I also have this little wood veneer. It says The Good Life. Super cute. So that's the kind of stuff that I put in here. So be watching for a weekly video, memory keeping video. And yeah, so I'm excited to do that with all of you. I mean, I'm a scrapbooker from, well, way back. I started scrapbooking in 2009 when my granddaughter was born. And so like for February, I don't know where my little envelope went, but I have to go find it because I know, like, obviously it's, you know, Valentine's Day month and all that good stuff. And I have this beautiful, beautiful die cut. I know that I'm going to add to February. I want to make sure that I add these Heidi Swap paper clips. I mean, I don't need to add all of them, but I want it here so that I can remember to use them. So that is my plan for the memory keeper. So you're going to see monthly spreads, right? And you're also going to see weekly. So let me know what you think. What I'm going to do is I'm going to speed up now, and I'm just going to flip through so that you can see all of the dividers. So I'm going to speed up the video, put on a little music, and I'll come back at the end. This is the last divider of the planner, and I want to show you at the very end they have special pages. So they have one for basically every season, as well as they have separate pages for vacation. They have them for birthday. So I'm probably going to take those out. It's like this planner is like super chunky. I haven't even used it yet. There's a lot of pages in here. So I have to take something out. Otherwise, it's not going to make it. But anyway, I love it. And yeah. So let me know what you think. Are you doing memory planning this year? And if you are, what planner are you using? Yeah, I pray that you have a blessed week this week, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.